A database is an organized collection of data that is stored and managed using computer software. It is a structured way to store and manage data, allowing it to be easily accessed, modified, and updated. A database consists of one or more tables, each containing a set of data arranged in rows and columns. Each row represents a record or instance of data, while each column represents a specific attribute or characteristic of that data. Databases can be used for a wide variety of purposes, such as managing customer information, keeping track of inventory, processing financial transactions, and storing scientific research data. They can be accessed and managed using specialized software tools, known as database management systems, DBMS, which provide a user-friendly interface for creating, modifying, querying the database. Some popular examples of database management systems include MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and Mongo. Different types of databases have different structures and use cases. For example, relational databases use tables with relationships between them, while NoSQL databases use a more flexible structure. Regardless of the type, databases play a critical role in many aspects of modern computing and are an essential tool for managing and organizing large amounts of data.